Because all the limiting values that people pick in an environment are added up to get your entropy score. And your entropy score will tell you if you've got some issues that really are being affected by leadership and some serious concerns that the organization will have to address in order to improve, increase engagement, and increase their productivity. This is another way of looking at the data from a histogram. So here, what's important to me is you see entropy at 49%. It adds up all the votes, those limiting value votes, that exist at levels 1, 2, and 3. And so you can see level 3 is a real concern in terms of their systems and processes, people's self-esteem, and at level 1. And the desired values you can see again, 26 and 29% at 5 and 29% at 4. You can see where people want to grow. Now, what does 41% entropy look like? Why is it so important to know your entropy score? Well, imagine you've got 100 people. 100 would be 100%, right? 41% entropy is 41 red people. That means you're paying for them, but they're not showing up. It's that disengagement, that entropy. How long do you think an organization can exist paying those salaries but not getting any value for them? In 2008, Iceland did a national values assessment, and they came up with 54% entropy. And Richard Barrett was asked, what does that mean? If this were a corporate result for a corporate organization, what would 54% entropy mean? And he said, they'd be going bankrupt. How could an organization continue? Do you know what happened 2 weeks later? Iceland went bankrupt. Not because they did the assessment. The assessment just showed what was happening in society. So there's a direct correlation here to numbers. So that organization that had 49% entropy would have 49 red people there. Very, very serious situation. Okay, you would seriously doubt whether that organization was going to continue unless major changes were made. Okay.